Hi, fourth graders, this is Mrs. Dam, and today we'll be working on contractions and apostrophes. The apostrophe is that little piece of punctuation that sort of looks like a comma, but it's higher up in the air. So if we have the word don't, that little symbol that I just drew is the apostrophe. This word don't is a contraction. We've taken two words and pushed them together. Do not. So when we contract something, we're taking something big and making it smaller. And in this case, we're taking the words do not, we're pushing them together, and we're taking out a letter. In this case, you can see that we took out the letter O, the second O. I like to think that that O is tired and it needs a break, so this apostrophe comes to the rescue. Let's try another one. So, if we have the word could and the word not, if we want to make a contraction, we know that it's couldn't. It's important for you to know where the apostrophe goes. We keep the whole word could. We smush that word not over. That O is worn out and tired, so it's going to take a break, and in its place goes the apostrophe, and then we add the T. Couldn't. Could not becomes couldn't. Try another one. I will. Two words, I will. If we want to make a contraction, we say I'll. Capital I. We're pushing in the word will, and we're taking out two letters in this case. They're a little worn out, so instead of the W-I, we use an apostrophe, L-L. Often fourth graders will ask, do I have to capitalize the I? And the answer is yes, because I is still acting as a proper pronoun. Let's do another one. Would not. Becomes wouldn't. We're taking out that O, so in place goes the apostrophe. Wouldn't. Let's look at a couple more. I have. Now I'd like you in your notes to write down what it should be. Okay, you should have written a capital I, and you know that we're pushing this word together. We're taking out the HA, an apostrophe goes in its place. I've. I have becomes I've. So after you know the basic rules, you'll be able to make contractions with just about any subject and verb where it's allowed. So if you have she is, it would become she's, taking out the I. He will becomes, I'm going to let you write it down, he'll. Again, we took out the WI, we pushed it together, and the WI is replaced by the apostrophe. So for a quick review, in a contraction, the apostrophe's job is to replace a letter or letters that you've removed. And the apostrophe is that little piece of punctuation that's higher up in the air than a comma. He's coming over, he, apostrophe S. We are going to the store becomes we're going to the store. You'll be practicing using apostrophes this week at school, and you'll continue using them in your writing your whole life. Thanks so much for listening. Have a great day.